morning. You are listening to Kanak Keswani, your news anchor of Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 30th May from around the world. Lockdown 5.0 states to decide on opening of malls and restaurants. The center is moving to extend the COVID lockdown by 2 more weeks, but is likely to allow states to decide on opening of malls and multiplexes, places of worship and dine-in restaurants in the next phase of its graded easing of curbs. However, based on suggestions from various states, strict curbs are likely to continue in contaminated zones, and there will also be some restrictions in 13 key cities where the concentration of COVID-19 cases is very high. Spoke to Modi on China, says Trump, no recent contact Indian officials. Early on Friday, Trump had claimed that he had spoken to Modi, who he said was not in a good mood about what's going on with China. Trump was responding to questions at the White House. They have a big conflict going with India and China, two countries with 1.4 billion people, two countries with very powerful militaries, and India is not happy and probably China is not happy too. But I can tell you, I did speak to Prime Minister Modi. He is not in a good mood about what's going on with China, Trump said. For many quarters, the growth rate of the Indian economy on the path of uncertainty has reached an 11-year low. The government released the data on Friday, stating that the GDP growth rate in 2020 was 4.2%, which is lowest after 3.1% in 2008-9. The growth rate came in at 3.1% in the January-March quarter. The National Statistics Office said that the effect of lockdown, which came into existence by March 25, was reflected in the last quarter as industrial activity had come to a complete standstill across the country. The growth rate was 5.7% in the last quarter of 2018-19, while GDP grew by 6.1% in the entire financial year. The government has also revised the growth rate of the last 3 quarters of 2019-20. First quarter growth of April-June changed from 5.6% to 5.2%. At the same time, the growth rate of second quarter has been increased from 5.1% to 4.4%, and from October-December to 4.7% to 4.1%. China's growth rate declined to 6.8% in the January-March quarter. Experts say that in 2020-21, the growth rate may go to a 4-decade low. 1 lakh patients in 24 hours in the world, now infected 60 lakhs. The number of new corona patients worldwide has been stable for more than a week, once again crossing 1 lakh in one day, and now has reached close to 60 lakh. On the other hand, the number of deaths in the US has also crossed the figure of 1,223 in the last 24 hours, after crossing the 1,000 mark in 24 hours. Meanwhile, in Britain, 6 people will be allowed to gather, removing the restrictions from Monday. Let me tell you about a week. The number of infected people killed due to COVID-19 has reduced to 3,64,548 per day, but it has crossed 1 lakh in the last 24 hours. I, Kanak Keswani, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.